Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add songs to the Play Next or Play Last music queue on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up Apple Music. Next, tap on Library. Now in here, you can open up a playlist or songs or albums. Then next to the song, you can tap on the More button and then tap on Play Next or Play Last. So add it to the queue, tap on one of the options to add it to the queue. Now if you open up your playlist, you can also add it to the queue as well. So here I've got the Taylor Swift Essentials. So if I open it up and then tap on the More button, then in here I can add in the whole playlist to the music queue. And that's it. So here, sorry, I'm just going to add it to the queue. So Play Next. And there it is. So the whole list will be playing next. So after that song's playing, then the next one will be Cruel Summer, and so on and so on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.